You just found the 2026 Toyota 4Runner. This rugged 4Runner delivers serious off-road capability, a comfortable interior, and family-friendly practicality. Enjoy the great outdoors like never before in this astonishingly versatile vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, heated front seat. Don't miss the chance to make your off-road dreams come true. Get behind the wheel of this rugged 4Runner and go. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.